Hey there, it's Mark with Sunshine Rentals. Thank you for watching my new Service of the Week series I'm going to be doing for you. Today we're going to talk about cable self-installs. The whole world of COVID has created a lot of crazy things. One of those, cable companies no longer want to come out and install cable equipment for you if that location had service previously. And what our partners are doing is they're working with us on their new setups, and they're having that cable equipment sent to our location. If there isn't enough time, we can go to a cable store and pick up the equipment on your behalf as well. Once we're there setting up the housers, we're also set up the cable equipment with our smart TVs and check for cable service and get your internet speed for you and make sure you're getting all the services that you're paying for. If there are any issues, we work directly while we're at the unit with the tech support for the cable provider and try our best to resolve those issues. In some cases, there's just not enough signal or a room just doesn't have a cable jack already. In that case, it does result in a installer needing to come out. When we're working with tech support, they will arrange that appointment. We're finding they tend to come out the same day in the afternoon, or in most cases the next day is the worst case that we've had. And we are able to come out and help you with that cable wait if you so desire, or you can ask your guest to do that part of it. Anyways, cable self-installs, another solution in the new world that we're living in here. Sunshine Rentals at your service. Have a great day. Thank you for listening.